Good morning, Ravi. Good morning, Arvind. So it could be only ICICI Bank which may help the bulls today. Barring that, all others will fall. Let's see. Couple of calls which we have given in Golden Egg series for the month. For May, will give us opportunity in lower levels also today. So I will not be able to share everything over here. That has been given to our premium members. For you, it will be a different kind of thing. Let's see where pre-open settles. So seems to be a bit different kind of opening. Probably that might be on back of when Reliance is falling. Well, most probably it could be on back of ICICI Bank. This is very strange. ICICI Bank settles flat after pre-opening. So we may drift after opening. That could be the scenario. Let's wait and see. Like what we have told is buy a 17,100 call when Nifty touches 17,000.
But looking at the gap down scenario, we have shifted it to 17,000 call. When we see 16,940, 900 odd levels. So let's wait for our opportunity. Since SGX is the traded rate, post opening we may fall a bit. At that time, we will try to pitch in and take a position. At this moment, it's not required to chase anything. We'll just wait and watch. Let me open my chart setup for all the commodities thing which we trade. So if we get an opportunity over here, we will pitch in. By the way, crude you can place an order at 7552 by order. If it gets executed, then exit at your own comfort. I believe the rates will come as the day progresses. So is my voice audible and the video is clear? I believe the video might be clear. Is my voice audible? Heavy sell orders at the pre-open close price in Icici Bank. So even Icici Bank could fall a bit initially. Serious crack everywhere. Nifty, Bank Nifty, everywhere. Like we expected, fell down. Only ICICI Bank is the one which is supporting on the higher side, but not sure whether it will sustain or not. If markets are reversing from here, then he may surprise on the high side, or else he will also start falling. Let's not rush, let them come down, and then we will pitch in. Because as long as we are staying below the level of 17,000, we could make an attempt to go and touch the 16,824, which is the previous week low. Nifty clearly came down to our levels. So probably people who are interested in buying it could have bought it. It has given you an opportunity in 17,000 call. 17,000 call is right now at 156. Sorry, 127. Made a low of 115. So none would have been able to catch it exactly at 115. But you could have taken it at 120, 122 or that kind of level. Tech Mahindra 1360 call reached 35. So what I need to do, bro? Are you asking me whether you want to buy, or have you taken position and asking me whether you want to hold? What is your query actually on Tech Mahindra? Guys, if you have any queries, keep posting your queries. We will answer one by one. Exited Balrampur and SBIN. Okay. Sorry, 1340C. Bro, I am not able to get you what you are saying, Arvind. You are just saying that you had suggested to get. Yes, that was a golden egg given to my members. So I can't keep on updating to the free members also that level has executed or running commentary such. If you got it, you can take it. That's it. I can only give one call in a month, which is a golden egg in free channel as well as YouTube. And exited Balrampur and State Bank of India, both decade. Okay. Uh, SBN didn't go upside, it came down 50k loss. Bro, when the entire market is falling, how come SBI alone will stay on the upside? It will also obviously fall. Only if it is having some positive news, it will be going higher. So, in this case, the entire market is collapsing. So, it needs to fall. The only problem with the SBI is he need to close above 495 today for the up move if it is anything left. If there is anything left. Nifty, as I said earlier, 17,000 call has given opportunity. Have updated twice. Wow, what a move on Icici Bank. 761. Actually, for my premium members, we have done a pair trade in ICICI Bank, going long in futures at 752, and we have taken a 740 put as well to hedge it. Just give me a minute. I am searching that call. I need to send an update to my members. Somehow we made some money in ICICI pair trade. We took futures at 753 and 740 put option at 9. It went down to 7 and we booked 2 rupees losses over there. But the futures went to 760, 761 in fact. But we squared off at 760. 7 points profit in futures. Net we ended with 5 points profit. 50k loss in the sense I don't know how it will become 50k loss if you have taken one position in State Bank of India. State Bank of India has gone down 1.5%, which means 6 rupees, 7 rupees down from previous close. So 7 rupees in the sense the lot size is 1500 and it will be only 10,000 rupees losses. If you have traded multiple lots, then you need to face the problem. That is the only reason I am suggesting my people not to trade more than one lot. Because no one can become rich in one day. Guys, on Friday itself, I have mentioned in our YouTube video while discussing, saying that both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank will not disappoint with results in the same quarter. Hope everyone remember it, right? Look at the way ICICI Bank has declared results. These are past history, guys. If you are knowing this kind of history, you can do wonders in markets. One member seems have booked profits in this 17,000 call. See, booking early is not a bad idea because when markets are volatile, we are supposed to exit a bit early. So nothing wrong in booking profits a bit early and staying safe. That's my opinion. I was trying to catch Nifty, Bank Nifty at 35, 525. I was seeing at 550 and placed an order at 525. But all of a sudden it went like a rocket. So give me a minute. I will send an update for my premium members and then come back here. Guys, if you have taken 17,000 call on time when we suggested, you are in profits. It made a high of 138. I already told you that you could not have grabbed exactly at 115. You could have taken even at 120, 122. So looking at the volatile kind of situation, even small profits is good if you take and um, stay away from markets. That's my opinion. If you people want to trail stop loss and then keep it for a long time, then it's your wish. All metals are sinking, so be cautious. I have been trapped in copper trade, but never mind. Let me see. In fact, my sell order haven't got executed on Friday night. So whoever has taken the golden egg which we have suggested, 17, Tech Mahindra, you should not worry about the stop loss until this expiry is over. So please keep in mind. So don't come and ask me tomorrow if it falls to 25. If you are such a kind of player, better don't trade in options, which will not help you at all. You should be in a position to hold with patience when it comes to markets. Look at the way market is surging. Sunny has some question. 16,850 is not broken today. Can we hold 1700 call for May series? Bro, if you have taken for May series, you can hold it without any hesitation. In May, once again, we will move on the higher side. Okay. So if you have taken this week series, which is monthly expiry, then you are supposed to exit at your own comfort as and when you are happy. Because you very well know that I run premium services, so I can't give targets to my free members. That is the only difference which I have. I am posting the same call which I am posting for you to the premium members as well, without even any seconds difference. So I can't give you any targets. That is the only problem. Okay. Hope you will understand my situation and reality. If you want the exact levels, Mr. Sunny, then it would be 16,824. Okay. And the closing basis level should be 16,958. If 958 holds, please hold on to your 17,000 call. It will take its own sweet time to move, but definitely you will see 17,500 in May series. So that's the hint I can give you. You can roughly calculate the target which you can achieve if it goes to 17,500. I am speaking about month end call, not the first week, second week, third week of May series. Cracks like anything, all commodities. See, one more thing we need to remember is uh, commodities cracking is good for equity markets. You people need to understand it, okay? When commodities crack, that is good for equity markets, especially gold and silver. So gold and silver, people may call it as bullions. So whatever it may be, if it cracks, then it is good for equity markets. Super move on Bank Nifty. A 400 point move from low. Exact low is 35,501. We suggested that 35,500 will be acting as a support. Perfect shot if we have taken. If not, then it's our bad luck or miss or whatever you may call. Like we expected, Nifty has gone below 16,958, went till 930, 928.60, that is the exact level, and now climbed towards the highs of the day. This is really good for markets. Let's check where ICICI Bank is. In fact, ICICI Bank post that thing, it has not helped Nifty or Bank Nifty to move. Just go and see the charts or go and see the levels. It's Axis Bank who climbed 20 rupees from its lows, and HDFC Bank who climbed 20 rupees from its lows, and HDFC who climbed 20 rupees from its lows. In fact, ICICI at that time was 761, now it is quoting at 758. Very nice move. Guys, whoever have taken Tech Mahindra should hold until this series goes. Only then we'll be able to give a stop loss. Please understand it. There are a couple of members who are asking me what will be the stop loss for Tech Mahindra. So if people have any queries, you may ask. One trade is done. It's a good trade from 120 to almost 150 odd levels. 151 is the high of 17,000 call of Nifty. Hero Motocorp is moving good today. Not sure any good news from the company. In fact, all autos are looking good. M&M, Maruti, Escorts, Hero Moto, Eicher, everything is looking good. Having a bad throat, guys, affected with cold, but I am trying to manage. If it goes to an extreme, then we will wind up the session, or else I will try to manage and we will end the session at 12. Until 12, we will be active. No worries. This is how the moves will be. We will turn volatile as the day progress. People may guess why it is, but if you want an answer, then it is VIX. VIX below 18 is okay, but above 18, it will be volatile. The only thing which is in green in my watch list is India VIX. See the level, it is quoting about 20. So we will see good volatility during the day. Most probably all kind of up moves will get sold into. Post the opening, Icici Bank has is giving off all its gains. Now it's just up less than 1%. So if he turns red, then it will be a tough task for Bank Nifty to stay in green. I mean, stay upside. Not in green. We haven't turned green so far, but we are outperforming the Nifty. Sanjay sir, option chain is showing good support at 17,000 levels. On that note, how important will be the option chain by EOD considering this is weekly and monthly expiry time? See, option chain will keep on changing for every 15-20 minutes. Okay, so we need to look upon the strike prices wherein there is additions and there is unwinding. Only then we will be able to get a clear picture. As of now, we are seeing good support at 17,000 levels, but we may turn a bit if we are sustaining below 17,000 for 15-20 minutes or so. If that is the case, all the writers will move on to the next strike. In fact, we are seeing good call writing at present juncture in 17,000 call. I mean 17,000 strike. So if 17,000 call is getting written means it will find hard to cross the 17,000 mark. That is how you need to read the option chain. If you want to read it exactly, then you need to add 17,000 plus the premium whichever is available at that particular strike, which means 131. So 17,000 plus 131, that is 17,131. That will be the tough resistance for us to cross today at present juncture. So as day progress, we may drift down and the premium may shrink. All kind of things will happen just because the VIX is crossed 20. When it has crossed 20, we can't dream about any up move which can sustain. So I hope I have answered your query. End of the day, option chain needs to be reviewed by 325 only, sir. Not before that. Look at the way he slides. Broader market as well as Nifty. I mean Nifty option. That is 17,000 call option. That's why I said book at your comfort as soon as possible, because this kind of up moves will be like this. Dropped 65 70 points from the highs very easily in very quick time. Throughout the day, market is going to be like this. All kind of up move will get sold into as long as VIX is not dropping below 20. So try to play very cautiously. Book as and when you see profits, no matter whether it is small or big. Even if you book small profits, that is profits. So believe in that kind of stuff. We can take a risk when Nifty nears 17,850 odd levels, if at all. Until then, we need to stay cautious like this. Take position and get out with small profits. I have taken 17,000 call at 121 and squared off at 141. That's all. 20 points done. Haven't waited for a long time. Why? Because I very well know that this kind of thing will happen. That is the reason I kept on reiterating you people to exit as and when possible. Couple of members of mine have exited at 135, 140 odd levels. Only risk taking players who are willing to take a risk, they are holding it, but they are in a position to add one more lot at lower levels. Bank Nifty is a bit strong when compared to Nifty today. Let's check the futures levels. We are way above it. 56. And even here. Any queries, guys? You may post it. We'll try to answer. Second round of move is coming. Can we take out 36,000 this time in Bank Nifty? If that is taken out, then it will be a psychological mark, and Bank Nifty could rally further from there. Let us see. Bank Nifty 36,500 call is a good buy at present stage. 170 is the current market price. Maybe you can have a stop loss just 5 points below day's low. Circuit filter for crude oil is where's the circuit filter? It's not even showing that 4%. Circuit filter for crude. 7524 is the circuit filter. Exactly hovering near the place. Remember the learning which we have been consistently say. How many of you remember? I don't know. I'm just keeping reiterating for the benefit of the crowd. This green line and red line are the two moving averages which I use, 13 and 26. One particular bar needs to be formed in between those levels. So if that happens, then next couple of minutes, maybe we could see a small reversal in markets. That is how I have taught you people couple of weeks back. I mean, every day I am reiterating the same point because people needs to understand it. What is the logic and what basis on what parameters we are supposed to look at the charts. That is the thing which I am trying to teach you people. So if that comes, then we may see a up move. Look at the way he moves. Fires 50 points, guys. Book or exit, that is your wish. One 170 was our entry and he made a high of 220, 224. The exact number 225. Who is supporting this time? ICICI once again climbs back. HDFC moves 25 points. Yes, it's an all-round performance. It's a all-round performance from Bank Nifty. Really good one. So based on our video from YouTube, if somebody would have picked 37,000 call in the beginning of the day, you might be ending with, currently now in profits. And to be honest, I haven't suggested anything over there. Nasty move, guys. And I would say you people are a bit lucky. Because I haven't posted this call in my premium group. Since we people already have 37,000 call, I haven't posted this one. Because taking multiple things at a time, I won't allow my members to do so. So that's the reason I haven't posted. So did anybody of you played 36,500 call? If I ask this question, how many of you will be able to say yes? Let me see, we are 5 people now. Guys, I have made you multiple requests that invite your friends and family members, whoever is interested in markets during our live session, so that it may be helpful and encouraging for me as well. But I'm still seeing only 5-6 members participating in our session daily. ICICI Bank picks up stream again. If he breaks day's high, then it would be quite interesting. 761.85 is the day high. HDFC Bank comes to day's high. Kotak Bank comes to day's high. IndusInd Bank comes to day's high. And Axis Bank also comes to day's high. This is very, very interesting, guys. Bank Nifty completely outperforming Nifty. And taking it, taking Nifty also too along with it. Stunning show, stunning show. This is what I have expected. If the day is low is holding, then we would try to move on the higher side, but it happens exactly. But the problem here is whether this will sustain or not. That will be a biggest question which everybody will have right now. I don't know whether we will sustain or not, but if we get a move like this, then you are supposed to book profits in your positions. 17,000 call once again above 149. Now, what if Nifty takes out day side? 17024.50. That is the Nifty futures high so far. Look at the way Bank Nifty futures moved the moment he has taken 36,000. The earlier high was 35,978. When it took out 36,000, it's a non-stop move of 195 points. Very sharp move. Yes, Nifty also taken out the day side. Kotak and HDFC Bank turned green. Superb show by Bank Nifty. So none of you have responded whether you have taken 36,500 call or not. I think none haven't taken. That is the reason nobody has responded. This is the problem, guys. When we are giving something good convictional call, people are not taking it. Then why should I give a call over here? I can just concentrate in my premium salon, right? 170 now in 17,000 call. Nifty futures also taken out day high. So everything is taking out day high. In my watch list, barring one or two, everything is taking out days high. Now 16958 number becomes the strong support, and below that today's low 16928 becomes a very good support. If that holds, we will not look back. Definitely we will climb on the higher side. Bharat made money in 17,000 call, booked at 162. Very good, Bharat. Thank you for updating. Taking couple of minutes, just wanted to update my premium members about exit on few positions. Good morning, Viral. I've just received a message from one of my member posted in Telegram. That was the best ever compliment which I have received so far. He was pointing out to my message of the call which I have given 17,000 call option at 120. He pinged that message and said, "This is what Anand Rathi has given at 9:43 a.m. today. You are predicting smarter than some institutions. Options buy Nifty 17,000 call at 145, stop loss 80, target 225." That is the call which he has received from Anand Rathi, it seems. But we have picked it at 120. See, it's not a big deal. Even everybody can do it, provided we spend some time for analysis. That's it. 37,500 call which we have taken at last week. Sorry, I think it's 37,000 call. Yeah, we have taken at 150. We are a bit trapped over there, but Bank Nifty shows some signs of reversal because he reverses from a critical area. My level is 36,500. Even yesterday, you might have seen in our YouTube video. And look at the way from where he bounces. 35,551. Sorry, 511. If that level goes, then it is straight 500 points down. But luckily, Bank Nifty has defended that level with the support of Icici Bank. And then after market opening half an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or so, everything has started supporting. At the beginning, everything has cracked nearly more than 2%, right? Axis, IndusInd, HDFC, and Kotak. All four has cracked more than 2%. but they have slowly recovered and came back to the highs. And somebody asked about State Bank of India. We said that it must close above 495 today. Now he has climbed again above 495. It was quoting below 492, 493 couple of minutes back. Now he has also turned and trying to come back. Whether he is turning in green or not, that's a different ball game. But closing above 495 is itself a very big important task for him to continue on the higher side. Friends, 36,500 call has delivered you more than 100 points. Our entry suggested was at 170 and he made a high close to 175, I guess. Bit above 170, yeah, 289 is the high, which means it has delivered solid 100 points. If you have not booked and if the position goes for a toss, don't please blame me coming and saying that, sir, it has gone down and I have lost. I can't deliver something better than this in a free YouTube channel. Please understand, we have delivered this when VIX is about 20. The problem is with Nifty today. Metals cracking hardly. Look at Hindalco, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel. Everything has gone down nearly 3% plus. Only Hindalco is holding out a bit at 2.5%, 2.25%. All the others have gone below 3.25, 3.5 percentage. Guys, feel free to ask if you have any questions, whatever the position it may be. We will try to clarify it. HDFC Bank. Today it's a bit boring. There is no questions. Just I had answered only 4 to 5 questions. I think people might have got trapped in some other positions on Friday, assuming that Nifty will go up and could have been trapped on the long side. That's the reason everybody is staying silent today. And Bank Nifty is also drifting a bit slowly. This could be a retracement kind of stuff towards the levels again, once again. If this green line goes and crosses over the red line, then we can see another round of up move. Whoever is interested in playing any hero or zero kind of stuff in Bank Nifty can go for 37,000 call around 90 rupees. Currently at 96. You may place your order at 90. Most probably it will get executed. It's a hero or zero call. So don't go more than one lot. Just go with one lot if you're interested, or else don't. The cold effect which I have is troubling me a lot. Took a medicine that makes me very sleepy today. And to add on, you people are also not asking any questions. That makes me bored. Speaking for myself, I have entered May calls. Will ask questions next week. Okay, right. Then fine. I think you are a bit smart taking May calls. Generally speaking, people will fight with call options in this month itself until the last working day. I am also one kind of guy. But sometimes I used to also go with next month call options in the last week of the present series. That's purely because of the uh, margin factor which we see across the brokers. They used to ask for higher margin, right? That's the reason. Bank Nifty futures is set to give a crossover. Once it is done, then the options will also follow. All commodities are cracked today. What happened to metal decks? Now, Bank Nifty has given a crossover. Now the options will give a crossover in next couple of minutes. Remember what I said couple of minutes before for Bank Nifty 37,000 call. It was quoting at 97 or 96, something like that. I just said you can place your order at 90, it will get executed. Look at the low, 89.75. If you have placed, it would have executed, and now you are in profits. Take care of your profit, guys. That's all I can say. I can give you a target. It's almost 19 points in Bank Nifty, 37,000 call. Gale. Gale. Let's see the charts. Chartically, not looking good. There are probabilities it can break 158, and then the super trend would show you a sell signal. So if you want to trade right now and gain, the best option to be, best position which you can take can be go long with 158 as stop loss, or else stay away, let it break 158. If it breaks 158, he will definitely come to 150. At that time you can create a long again. Even though markets are jittery, I feel that Nifty will hold on to 16,958 on closing basis and then move on the higher side. Just because of a simple factor that a falling market will not take support will at lower levels and then climb again, or stay above the support levels for a long time. So if you look at today's scenario, at the beginning we broke the support of 968, sorry 958, 16958 I am saying, went down, climbed immediately higher, again went down, broken that level, and then climbed again higher. So this is what the structure is as of now. So this says me that Nifty, there is a good chance that on closing basis will close above 16958. If that happens, we could see a good move in next 3 days. Maybe around 17200 to 17250 zones we will be seeing before this expiry. If Nifty closes above 16968 today, 958 today. That is the level which I have mentioned in the opening note today. If you have any queries, you may post here so that will answer your queries. Bank Nifty view, please. Bank Nifty, I have been very clear, ma'am. It's going to move on the higher side. Only if Nifty closes below 16958, Bank Nifty will also fall down. Or else, definitely Bank Nifty is going to move higher. Even Nifty just, moves 50 points from here, and if it closes in red also, Bank Nifty will move maybe 250 to 300 points higher today. That is what I'm expecting. But all depends upon the number 16958. If we are going below this, then my view will get negative. I have given 2 calls over here. You are a bit late today, I guess. Already given 36,500 call, which delivered more than 100 points. And given 37,000 call as hero or zero, which delivered 20 points in quick time. You may say that these two can drag 400 500 points down, but remember these three, these two are the ones which has taken 500 points from the lows today. Look, see where Icici Bank has opened today at 747 and now at 762. HDFC Bank moved below 1325 intraday, and then from there it climbed nearly 2%, which is 26 points, now at 1352. That's why I said on a condition, if Nifty goes below 16,958, then there are chances Bank Nifty will also follow, or else Bank Nifty will take Nifty on the higher side. Why should we need to bother about resistance or support, bro? We know the levels, so we are playing the levels. That's all. Let it be at the resistance. Is there any necessity that resistance should not be broken as time goes? There is nothing such thing. The one which we have missed earlier and exited just because of my hurriness has provided opportunity again. I'm saying about Infosys 2 1600 call. Earlier we have taken around 60, and then because of one day panic selling, we booked the losses and exited. Good morning, Sangeeta. Bank Nifty is trying to push on the higher side. Metals. Let's check where is the next support for copper. I think it will give a good opportunity for us on the long side if you catch at right levels. Let me check it. Two hours chart, 3 hours chart. Everything looks very weak. Even on daily chart it looks weak. The next level is 790. If you get 790 in copper, take a long trade there with 2.5 rupees or 3 rupees as stop loss. 787 as stop loss. Take trade only at the level suggested. Don't rush now and take it at 794. Just wait for the level and then take it if you get that level, or else ignore the trade. Mr. Kumar, how is Oberoi Realty looking? Oberoi Realty. Actually, reality stocks are a bit good until last week. Today, because of the broader market fall, this is also falling. So, if you want to go long, then you need to enter somewhere around 909 till 915 levels. At that level, if you enter, you may have a 20-point stop loss and try to hold it till 1000 rupees target. It could be a swing trade, not an intraday trade. It will be a positional and swing trade. Maybe you need to suppose to hold for minimum 5 to 10 days for the target getting achieved. Don't go with any options in this particular thing. It will spoil the momentum. Oops, stuck in 960 call at 12. I have given my view for cash or futures trade. So 960 call option for this week expiry means this month expiry means then it is really bad. The only thing you can expect is if it closes above 950, if the stock prices closes above 950 today, you can hold on to your position, or else please exit book losses and exit. Copper May. Crude drifts down. Let's see whether it gives opportunity to at our levels. 7552 is the level where we have placed our order. Let us see. Mr. Kumar, I haven't said to exit you now. You need to hold till end of the day and wait and see whether the stock price closes above 950. If it closes above 950, then you are supposed to hold. If not, only then you are supposed to exit. I'm seeing one good opportunity in HDFC as well, but it has rallied a bit. Do we have any other questions? Today's session is a bit boring for me. I'm feeling sleepy as there are very less questions. Let me wait for another 5 minutes. If there is any questions, we'll try to answer and then wind off, or else we'll wind off by 11:20. Feeling a bit lazy too. Whoever has taken 37,000 call of Bank Nifty, remember it is a hero or zero. Don't ask me for any kind of stop loss. If you are in a position to ask stop loss, you must be in a position to exit when it showed you 20 points. 17,000 call and 16,800 put, the one which you are seeing right now in front of our screen, right at the bottom. 130 plus 75, approximately 205, 208. Could be a good pair trade if you want to carry till expiry. But taking at current level is not a good idea. Probably you can wait till end of the day, and if the premium is below 170, 175 combined premium, then you may think of taking a trade over here, because the one-sided target which I am expecting is 250. So at present stage, for 45 rupees profit, it's not wise to take a risk now. So instead of that, you can wait and see if it comes to, if the premium shrinks to 170, 175 order levels by end of the day, and then take a trade if willing. If not, just leave it as it is. Tomorrow we will take fresh trades, don't worry at all. Even in between the day, if we get opportunities, we will take fresh trades. Hmm. So as we don't have any queries, let's wind up the session today. It's a bit boring, and at least I can take rest for some time. Have a good day, friends. See you all tomorrow morning. Tonight we don't have any session because tonight we have a match for CSK. So tonight we will not have any YouTube live. So tomorrow morning we will see you again. Bye for now.